welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my Sipsby unboxing for the month. So Sipsby is just a company that sends out monthly boxes of tea. I think it's really fun because you get to kind of try out a bunch of different tea. I will leave links in the description box below so if you want to check it out. And you just take a quiz and you tell them if you want like caffeine. You tell them what kind of teas you like, what kind of teas you don't like, and then they just send you your own special box. And then this is my September tea box. And then it also tells you how to make your tea, and then it also tells you what is in it and if it's like medium caffeine, high caffeine, all things like that. So you're gonna get like this little piece of paper. You can't see it very well, but anyways, it has all the teas that are on here. You get 15 plus cups of tea every month. And then this is like what my box looks like right now. It's a mess. So I'm gonna just dig in here. The first one is this ginger peach green tea. I am a green tea drinker. I like my green tea hot, but normally I kind of like my tea cold. But green tea, I'm not a peach fan, so I probably won't even try this. But this is really cute packaging, and I don't know, I might just try it just to see what it tastes like. But I'm like definitely just not a peach fan. They also always come with these little reusable tea bags. So then if you do have loose leaf tea, you can just stick these right in here. And I think these are really cool, especially if you don't have some sort of tumbler or anything like that, then you're able to put your little tea leaves in there. This one I'm thinking is the loose, nope, it's not. Okay, maybe I did, okay, yes. This one right here is the loose leaves. I always receive one of these every single month. This one is Sabroso Chai Berry Extreme. And this one's kind of cool because it almost looks like that it's homemade by somebody, because it doesn't seem like it is an actual like company. So this is what this one looks like. I think that's really neat. This one is by the Republic of Tea Round Daily Green Tea Bag. I didn't like tell you guys that, but that's the company. And then also if you guys do like certain teas, you can actually get on their website and just purchase the teas that you really like. But I think that this just little box is super fun. This one is, I don't ever say this right, and everyone always tries to correct me, but like, it's fine. It is Jade, Leif, Machado, I think that's what, I don't know. But it is an infusion, so I think this you just add it with milk, or yeah, 1 cup of milk, 1 packet, honey or sweetener. I think that's cool. I've never received one like this, so I actually can't wait to try these. But this is what this little looks like, and I got 4 of these. I got 4 of these ones, and then this one will probably make like 4 to 5 cups, I bet. So that's pretty cool. And then the very last one is this Asheville Tea Company Lemon Yapun, I don't know, Yapun. It has like lemon peel, lemongrass, lemon balm. I'm actually really excited to try this one because it doesn't have very much caffeine in it, but like I like lemon tea, so I got 3 of these. And then there's always like a really fun, okay, maybe this isn't the one. Sometimes you get really fun recipes in your boxes, and I really think those are fun. This one just says, kind of talks about the infusion packets. You can get 7 of them for $12.99, and I think this box is only 15 bucks a month. I can't remember exactly, but I will let you guys know for sure when I say 15 bucks a month. But if I already received 4 of these and 7 of them are $12.99, I think that is like a really, like, this is why I think it's such a fun, like, good deal, because teas are pretty expensive. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.